Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to create a new to-do in Basecamp. So this right here is your dashboard. Right in here, the to-dos is where you're going to want to add one. So if there's not yet a list that fits the category of the request or need that you have, go ahead and create a new one. Add this list, and then immediately this is going to pop up. Now, if there is already a list there, you can go ahead and click this button, add a to-do. The most important step when creating a to-do is adding the Digital Minerva team. So in this case, James, Natalie, Kayla, and Taylor. Add all if possible, and if not everyone is listed, definitely add James at the least. So we're also going to want to make sure that this checkbox right here is checked so that we get a notification that you have created an assignment and we can get to work on it. When done, notify, this is where you're going to want to put your name. Since I'm the one creating this, I'm just going to go ahead and put mine, but this is where your name would go, or whoever from your company you would like to add to be notified when work is done on this task. Adding a to-do date is super important. Even if there isn't a direct to-do date, it's good to add one just so that we get reminders and you get reminders that the task is in Basecamp. And then here you can add any details about the task. And then click add this to do. You can also always click in, click the three dots, and then edit if you would like to add anything. And then any comments as well, we will get notified about, so long as we are added to the assigned to section of the to-do.